The worst nightmare, or your worst nightmare, has just happened. You've got a child under the age of 18. You've received a call from the police station. They've been arrested or they're under investigation. This is the worst thing that can happen to a parent. Here's what you need to know in Massachusetts. Juvenile law is governed by the same adult law, generally speaking, but the procedures and the processes are totally different. This is what you need to understand. There's much more opportunity to resolve cases or dismiss cases or file special motions to dismiss, like an Umberto H motion to dismiss, prior to arraignment in juvenile court. So this is really critical. But coming back a little bit, it's really important that your child does not talk to the police, either with you or without you. If they talk to the police without you, that's potentially a constitutional problem. But talking to the police is never, ever going to help you. Your child has a Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate themselves. They should use it. So parents of teenage children should know, and they should talk to their teenage children, that they are not to talk to the police. Just politely say, I'm not going to answer any of your questions. But remember, if your child's been arrested, you've got to act. This is even more important than it is for an adult offender or somebody who's accused of committing a crime as an adult. You've got to act fast, and you've got to call a lawyer prior to arraignment. This is critical because the law and the processes in juvenile court, they're just different, okay? And you can do different things in juvenile court, special things that you can't do in adult court. One of them is file a pre-arraignment motion to dismiss called an Umberto H. This is critical because this provides an opportunity to win the case even before it starts. So if your child has been charged with a crime or arrested, you've got to call a lawyer fast. You've got to call a lawyer who handles cases in juvenile court because it's different. The judges are different. The laws are generally the same, but the procedures are a little bit different. So I'm Nate Amendola. I do lots of juvenile cases. I know what I'm doing in these cases. Call me, 781-740-0800.